Hello, good day. My name is Mr. Daniel Idoren, and I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel and Google Spreadsheets. First, what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is an electronic document used for data manipulation, data presentation, forecasting, and likes. It is an electronic document synonymous to our paper and biro accounting worksheet. Sometimes in business studies, I was told it's called ledger, which is the principal book of accounts. So all this paper and biro means of computing financial analysis has been computerized into Microsoft Excel and Google Spreadsheet. Let's head on to the practical aspect of it. Okay, this is my Microsoft Excel. Once you open your Microsoft Excel from your system, this is the first template that you have access to. So to create spreadsheet, first and foremost, you click on blank workbook. Blank workbook. So what is a workbook? Workbook are combination of different sheets. Like from here now you see sheet one. I can add another one, sheet two, sheet three, depending on what you want to do. Let me introduce you to what is displayed on the screen here. This is called your title bar with workbook one telling you the name of the application you are using. Remember, Excel is an application software. There are two types of software. We have the system software and the application software. Excel is application software. Immediately after your title bar is what you have your menu bar. The menu bar makes up of the file. Some of the menu you see on your menu bar is the file, your home, insert page layout, formula, data, review, and view. And immediately beneath your menu bar is what we call the ribbon. The ribbon here contains contents on each of the menu bar. Like for instance, the home menu bar is activated, and here are the contents in the home menu bar. So if I click on insert menu bar, you see the content on the ribbon will change to reflect that of the insert menu bar, and so on and so forth. Let's proceed. Immediately after your ribbon is what we call here your address bar or name box. We call it name box, but some people refers to it as address bar. And the next bar is your formula bar. This is where you input data that will be reflected in each of the cell. Mind you, Excel is made up of rows that runs vertically and columns, made up of rows and columns, rows and columns. Then the intersection of each rows and column produce what is called a cell. Now, each of the cell that is highlighted, the name bar gives you the address of that cell. So if I select cell A1 and I put here name, cell A2 school, age, date, date of birth, D O and B, and so on and so forth. That's how you enter data into Excel. And you can also perform some calculations on this Excel. Assuming we want to make a simple multiplication table, I can quickly say, okay, 1, 2, 3, and I would use what we know as autofill to fill this table. Then I can do a multiple of 2, 4, 6. I can as well use autofill to fill this up. Very, very simple. Now, if I want to add the content of these two cells, that's content of F2 and E2 and F2, I can quickly say equal to sum, sum open bracket E2 F2, and I'll close the bracket to give me the answer as 3. I can use autofill too as well to have it compute for me. Now, quickly, let's head over to Google Sheet and see the difference between Google Sheet and Microsoft Excel. Here is my Google Sheet. How do you get to Google Sheet? Just type your Google Doc, and then you come to these three three the menu bar here. You go down, you see your Google Sheet, and you click on it. Once you click on it, to take you down to this place, and you select blank sheet. Now let's wait while it loads. Finally, it's finally here. Here is our Google Sheet. The difference between the Google Sheet and Microsoft Excel is not much. They are almost the same thing. But for the limitation that Google Sheet has in that the ribbon and the menu is not as robust as that of Microsoft Excel. Mind you, Microsoft Excel is a standalone program, as I said, is an application program made for that particular purpose alone. So the same thing, this is your column ranging from A, B, C, D, E, and F, and your row numbering 1 to about 32 or 36,000 or thereabout. Or thereabout. So it's the same process. This is your name box or the formula bar, and the name box or address bar, and this is your formula bar. You input data the same way you would do in Excel. You can find average, you can find sum, you can do a lot of computation using these packages. Thank you.